Byrne. I work as a patrol for the AA, so my day-to-day task would just be out doing breakdowns in the van. Yeah, some of the most unusual jobs we get are actually quite common. We get a lot of keys locked inside the vehicles, but also a lot with like animals or children locked in the car. Yeah. We had a farmer call us a while back. I went out, his keys were locked inside his vehicle, and when he arrived there he showed me the Jeep, and it had a sheepdog and a lamb inside, locked in there with the keys. So he used a special long rod to come in through the door sill to kind of fish out the keys. But when I put it in, all the dog wanted to do was chew on it and play with it and paw at it. He thought it was like a game, so it took quite a while to fish the keys out. Yeah, the job we're on the way to, it's just a flat battery. You know, it's usually very simple, but the problem is the member cannot open the bonnet, so we're going to have to somehow get the bonnet open first. Shouldn't be a problem, and then we can deal with the flat battery. Yeah, in terms of difficulty, that wasn't too bad at all. It was pretty straightforward. The bonnet catch was broken, so we managed to get the bonnet released, and then we were able to repair the catch for the member, so that saves them having to book it into their garage. I suppose the difficult thing about this job would be, you know, really bad weather. You know, it's cars are an awful lot less reliable in really bad conditions. You know, Ireland, 2 weeks of rain and we could be out in it every single day, and you know, it makes our job a lot difficult when we're under the bonnet trying to repair vehicles in the, you know, lashing rain. It's very difficult. Now, there are some dangers to the job. It's, you know, the motorways, especially the motorways, they're broke down in the hard shoulder, and there's cars passing them 12 inches from them at 70 miles an hour. It's, you know, it's a scary place to be, and it's a very dangerous place to be. And you know, we always prioritise jobs that are broke down on the motorway. And we're on our way to Terranure at the moment now. A lady's just picked up our kid from school. She has a dog with her, and she's got a puncher, and she has no spare. So we'll go and see what we can do. We were still able to repair the tyre there and then on the breakdown. With a temporary repair, we put what's called a rubber plug in it, so it'll seal the hole for now, and she can get it changed then later on, or bring it to a tyre centre and get it replaced. I suppose the best thing about the job is everybody's happy to see us. Once they see the yellow van, they're delighted. Most often than not, we get them going and they're back on the road shortly, and you know, they're just very happy about it. So it's a you know, positive profession.